Hola amigos, we are The Roots. In this vlog, we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, what are we doing now?
On today's episode, we're going through the process of sealing the floor, welding, and grinding.
If you have seen our previous videos, then you know that we got a bus, and this is our journey to transform it in a mobile home. So here we are one more time, and welcome back, amigos.
Hi guys, so in preparation for our roof raise, we just cut some square tubing. It's going to go inside the hat channel. We're kind of on a hold until we get enough manpower, until we can actually do the raise itself. So in the meantime, what we're going to do is weld fill all the screw holes in the floor.
Let's show that.
So what happens is when you build the bus, you put some sort of adhesive down, you put the plywood down, and you screw it into this metal floor. So we had a really fun time getting all the screws out. And what happened is all those holes now need to get filled. So what's going to happen is we're going to fill all the holes in the floor from the front to the back to the front. Anything that needs to get welded up, we're going to do that over the next couple days. Then we're going to come back through with a corrosion treatment on the floor, and that's what we're doing today. So what Laura's going to do, if she'll turn the GoPro around, you can see Laura. She's going to go and prep all the metal before I weld. So she's going to use the grinder.
That we have a fun encounter before, as you can see right here. That was done by the grinder. Beautiful, huh?
So she's going to go and prep all the holes, or the areas around the hole, so we have a nice clean surface to weld on. Good?
And Ethan?
And Ethan what?
What's he's going to do?
Nothing.
Nothing? He's just going to watch and learn, and then clean after us. Right, Papi? What? Okay, go.
Okay.
Okie dokie. Show me your mask, baby. Wow, Iron Man. Awesome. So we're sharing this with you for several reasons. Reason number one, we were inspired by others like the nomadic movement, or Emon and Beck, and Trent and Ali, or West at the Schoolie University. And even when some of them don't have schoolies by bands, the inspiration was and is the same. Take an unconventional approach to a vehicle, make it yours to fit your needs to travel. So in many ways they were an inspiration for us, and now we would like to share that with you. I don't know, maybe that inspires you to do something like this. Reason number two is that for whatever reason you were in the process to build one of these vehicles or considering it, then you can see how hard really is. You can see the mistakes we have done along the way, as well as the things that we may have right. I don't know, it may help you save some time and money. And so, reason number three. As we're trying to do this as a family, and even though it sounds pretty fun and with tons of possibilities to spend quality time with our teenagers and having the opportunity of showing them some life skills, and build something cool at the same time, as work gets harder and harder, we soon discover that our kids don't necessarily share our excitement on this journey. So this might help you to understand, if you're planning to do the same thing as a family with teenagers, that kids don't necessarily may want to work on this.
Hi guys. So today we're in day 2 of our floor prep for the roof raise and the bus. So what we've done is we've welded all the screw holes. You can see and then Laura's coming by with the grinder and just knocking down the high spots.
So this is just recently welded, and this is a grinded one. So you see, oh no, this one is soft, look, see?
So we just need to knock off the high spots so when we put the flooring down, it doesn't create an uneven surface.
So I still have the half of the bus, a little less than the half of the bus to go. And what are you doing, baby?
I'm going to finish welding the brackets for the roof jacks.
And you're going to install it on the...
And then I'm going to install it on the hat channel.
On the hat channels, okay.
So it'll be completely ready to go. By Wednesday, we should have everything ready.
Okay.
And then Saturday morning, the party starts.
Yay. And finally, reason number 4. So as we get older and look back on our lives, where we may have done something interesting or been in a cool place, 90% of the times they're just memories, a few pictures here and there, but for the most part, everything is stored in our brains that one day we may forget. I don't know. And when we're gone, nobody will ever know. So we wanted to record this journey from the beginning and inherit to our kids a visual record on how insane their parents were. Hopefully, they will show it to their kids and at least find us entertaining. So if nothing else, we encourage you to do the same thing, to leave a visual record of who you are for the future generations to see. So we hope that at least we entertain them and entertain you at the same time.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.